How to manage charging options on your Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to optimize battery protection and charging settings on your Samsung device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. The Settings menu will appear on screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. Your battery management page will load. Following that, tap on Battery. The battery settings will be displayed. Now, scroll down to find More Battery Settings. Additional battery options will appear. Moving forward, tap on More Battery Settings. The advanced charging options will open. Afterwards, look for Protect Battery. The battery protection toggle will be visible. Then, toggle on Protect Battery. This limits charging to 85% to extend battery lifespan. Alternatively, if you want faster charging control, go back. The battery settings will reappear. Once that's done, look for Fast Charging. The fast charging toggle will be shown. Now toggle fast charging on or off based on your preference. Your charging speed will be adjusted accordingly. Your Samsung charging options are now optimized for battery health. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you manage charging options on your Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.